Okay, so I was gonna make a video on BODMAS, but I thought it is really lengthy, so I tore that BODMAS one into several parts. The first one is about the rules of addition and subtraction. I've got some questions, but before that, I'll tell you some rules which you have to follow when solving these questions. So, first one is if you have addition, if you have a plus sign and a plus sign, then you will have a plus sign and you will add. If you have a minus sign and a minus sign, then you will have a minus sign, but you will add again. If you have a plus sign and a minus sign, you will have the sign of the greater number. These are the rules for addition. For addition and subtraction, for multiplication and division, you have different ones. So if you have a plus sign and you have a minus sign, you will write the greater sign and you will subtract. And if you have a minus sign and the plus sign, then again you will do the same. You will have a greater sign and you will have a greater sign and you will subtract. So these are very, very basic rules that you need to know about before starting these questions. So let's just solve these questions keeping in mind these rules. So let's just move this on the side. And if you look at here, you have a pattern that if you have same signs, plus and plus, minus and minus, then you add. And if you have different signs, these two, then you subtract like this. So you can keep this in mind too. So the very first question, the question number 1 is 10 plus 5 minus 3. And one rule is, so when you have addition and subtraction, you always move from left to right. So let's solve this part. I'll just underline the part I'm solving. So here, 10 plus 5, a very easy question. We've done that from, I think, starting from 1 class, so 15. And minus 3 will come here. Again, very simple, equals 12. This was a very easy question. Question number 2 is 20 minus 8 plus 7. Again, 20 minus 8 is 12, plus 7 is 19. Let's move on to question number 3, which is 15 plus 12 minus 9. 15 plus 12 minus 9. First 15 plus 12, which gives us 27, minus 9. 27 minus 9 gives us 18. Is our answer. Question number 4 is 30 minus 10 plus 2. 30 minus 10 is 2. So 30 minus 10 is 20. Plus 2 is 22. Question number 5, which is 25 plus 8 minus 4. 25 plus 8 minus 4. 25 plus 8 gives us 33, I think. Minus 4 gives us 29. And question number 6 is 18 minus 6 plus 5. 18 minus 6 plus 5. Let's change this question a bit. Let's just make it 6 minus 18 plus 5. Okay, now here comes the rule. When there's nothing before 6, then we'll assume this is plus. So we have different signs, so we will obviously subtract. So 18 minus 6 is 12. Now we have two options. We can either plus 12 or minus 12. So which one to write here? If you remember the rule, if you have different signs, then you have the greater number sign. So the greater number here is 18, and the sign with the 18 is minus. The sign always comes first. So here's minus 12 plus 5 again. So we have different signs, we'll subtract, and we will get 7. And if you look at the signs, we have minus and we have plus. We have different signs, so we will write the sign with a greater number, which is 12, and 12 has a sign of minus, so we'll write minus 7 here. So I think this was a bit complicated question. In fact, it wasn't, I just made it a bit complicated compared to the ones before. So question number 7, 40 plus 5 minus 12. Again, let's make it 45 plus 40 minus. In fact, let's change it to minus. And plus. Okay. So we have different signs again. We will subtract. So we get 35. And the sign of the greater number, which is 40. So minus 35. And we just solved this part. So minus 12. We have same signs. So we will add, which will give us 47, and because we have same signs, then the sign will become, the only option we have is minus, so minus 47. Question number 8 is 50 minus 20 plus 15. 50 minus 20 plus 15. So let's just change this question to, let's just make it minus, and plus. So first let's start the first part. It is minus, same sign, so we will add and we will get 70, and same sign, so we only have the option of minus. And plus 15. And we have different signs here, so we will subtract, and I think we all get 70 minus 15. Oh, let me just check. 55. And we will write the greater sign, which is minus, so minus 55. Question number 9. Let's just keep the questions the same now. Question number 9. So question number 9 is 22 plus 11 minus 3. First, this part, 22 plus 11 gives us 33, minus 3, it gives us 30, equals. And again, the last question, question number 10, 35 minus 9 plus 7. We get 35 minus 9, we have plus here, we have minus here. So different signs, though we don't need the strategy here because it's a very simple question. The second value is smaller than the first value, so we can easily subtract, but still we have different signs, so we are gonna subtract and we get 26, and we have to write the sign with the greater number, which is 35, so plus, and if it is in the start, we usually ignore the plus sign. So 26 plus 7, which gives us 33. So I hope you got these questions. I know these questions were very easy, but I hope I'll get more hard questions of addition and subtraction like these ones in the next video. Till then, take care.